guys, today we are doing a long-awaited unboxing from Porter Lyons. So this is the box. In full disclosure, I already opened it. I could not wait. So this was actually supposed to be my anniversary gift. My husband and I celebrated our 2-year wedding anniversary back in July, and this was the gift. And yeah, so I ordered it in May, late May, but it was a custom piece, so I knew it would take longer, and I actually knew that I wouldn't get it until after our anniversary. There was a little bit of a delay. It took longer than expected. But anyway, so yeah, once it came, I was like so excited. I was like, I will be super careful because I wanted to like show you guys what it looked like. But yeah, I was just too excited. I had to open it. Also, this is the first thing I've ever received or ever purchased from Porter Lyons. So yeah, I definitely wrapped it all back up so I can, you know, show you guys. So yeah, this is the box it comes in, just a little black box. And obviously I took off my personal information. And then when you open it, this is what is inside. So it's really cute. It says "You're a Gem," and then just the name down there. And then they gave me this card, which they did. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they wrote a little note, which is really cute. And then this is the actual packaging. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. So I think these are alligators, or they could be crocodiles. I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, that's the packaging. And then it has this little like bronze copper seal. Super duper cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this out, and then you can I just slid this out, that way I could keep this. But this is the actual packaging. Look how cute this is. I am so impressed with the packaging. I love packaging in general, but yeah, this isn't like anything I've ever seen. So again, you have the same tissue paper with that same seal. So I'm going to just tear it open because now I'm already showing you guys, so I don't have to save it. So we're just going to rip this open, and then this is the actual box. So it says Porter Lyons right there, and you take this off, and then this is the actual like jewelry box. Again, so pretty. It's like this suede or velvet material with this beautiful teal color, like beautiful. Okay, and then I will show you guys. Let me scoot in because I already saw it technically, but they are a pair of earrings. These are the earrings. Oh, they're so pretty. This is the second time I'm seeing them, but I can't even. I should have actually looked up. Oh, this is cute. It says "Preserve the Wild Within." I actually just noticed that. And does that say it in here? Oh no, inside it just says Porter Lyons. But I should have looked up the actual earrings that are not custom made. You can just buy them online, because these are actually inspired by a pair of earrings that you can, like I said, you can just buy it on their website. Hold on one sec. Let me look those up, and I will put them somewhere on the screen just so I can show you guys. Okay, so these are the Enamel Wand Pop Hoop earrings, and they actually come in a bunch of different styles. So you can choose your stone. The one I chose is emerald, and then you can also choose your metal. So it comes in 14 karat yellow gold, rose gold, or white gold, and mine are 14 karat yellow gold. I will definitely link these below, but I can't link these just because they were custom, but I will link the ones that you can purchase. And then I'll go over really fast, like all of the details. I'm also going to link another YouTuber's video. So her name is Reese Wonge, I believe. And yeah, I was watching one of her videos of her everyday jewelry collection, and she purchased the ones that you can get online. And when I saw them, I was like, those are stunning. They're so pretty. But even though I loved them, I kind of in my head was like, I think I would tweak this and that. And so I just kind of thought in my head like my perfect version. And what I ended up doing was calling Porter Lyons, and I was like, hey, do you guys do custom earrings? And they were like, yeah. So it was like a whole process, but that is how I got these. But the original wand pop hoops are more like Huggies, which I'm not a huge fan of Huggies, but the diameter is 11 millimeters. So I wanted mine a little bit larger, so that's one thing that I changed. My diameter is 18 millimeters. So it's an 18 millimeter hoop. The original earrings have this beautiful lime green enamel. They also have, let me see, it looks like 4 emeralds, and then there is 1 diamond baguette separating. I didn't really want the diamond, which I know, shocking. I love diamonds, but with this specific earring, what I was drawn to when I saw Reese's video was the lime green enamel and the emeralds. And that's just kind of like what my eye looked at. So the diamond, I don't know, it just kind of almost, I hate to say it, but it kind of got in the way. And I was like, I would just love more enamel and more emerald and really just have this be a really colorful hoop, especially because I don't own any colorful jewelry except for like a couple of costume pieces. But as far as like real fine jewelry, everything is like normal, just metals or diamonds. So yeah, I didn't want the diamond. That was something I asked. I was like, can we just take the diamond out altogether and elongate the enamel and add more emeralds? And they were like, yeah. So like I said, the original one had 4 emeralds. Mine has 7 emeralds. And then the original one, it's not as much enamel, it's like smaller. And so they elongated the enamel for mine. So hopefully, let me see if I can show you guys against this so it'll focus. There you go. So yeah, so the enamel was elongated and then they added the diamonds. And they are very, very lightweight. And then yeah, the gold is still the same that they use for theirs, which is 14 karat yellow gold. And when you purchase them, you have to make sure that you specify that you want 2, unless you only want 1. But I definitely wanted 2. I wanted to have them match. So I'm gonna try these on really fast. I'll be right back. Okay, so I zoomed in the camera just a little because I wanted you guys to be able to see, but this is what they look like on. This is obviously like a side profile, but you can definitely see the enamel and the emeralds. Oh, so pretty. I'm so in love. I'm telling you, I don't have anything like this. And it's so funny because I didn't really have a lot of earrings. I feel like 2023 was the year of earrings for me, and the year of hoops. I was never really a hoop girl. And then I just kind of stumbled upon all these like cool hoops and I'm like love them now. So this is what they look like from a little bit farther away. And I have to say, I can still see pretty clearly, even from this distance, the lime and the emerald. I love how it pops. So yeah. Okay, really fast, because this is my first purchase from Porter Lyons, I did want to go over the pros and cons. Mainly it's pros and like one kind of con. But first, packaging, just because this is the first thing you see. I love their packaging. I think it's really nice. It's really luxe. I appreciate when brands, you know, take the extra time and attention to detail with their packaging, just because usually you're paying a good amount for the product and it's just part of the process. So I love the packaging. Obviously the product, these earrings, love them so much, and I love how light they are. They're just really comfortable. They look pretty, they look dainty, but like still modern, but still classy. So yeah, I love these. And then what else? There was something, what else was I gonna say? There was something else I was gonna say about the Pro. I don't remember, but I remember. The fact that you can do custom, like a custom piece. Because I feel like not every jewelry company does that. So I know that smaller owned or local jewelers will, but I feel like, I don't know, it's just not something that you have the option to do with everything. And again, I loved the original earrings that they have on their website. I think they're so pretty, and I almost got them just because I was like, well, it's not like my perfect pair, but it's something, and something's better than nothing. So I almost got them, and I'm so glad that I asked and inquired and was like, wait, can I do custom? Because I never would have known, obviously, if I hadn't asked. So I love that you can do custom pieces. So yeah, those are the pros. The only con I would say, and it wasn't necessarily a con for me per se, but I could see how it might be a con for somebody else. when I purchased these, it was May 24th, I wanna say, and they told me 6 to 8 weeks out, I think, 6 to 8 weeks. I will double check, but I'm pretty sure I did not get them until like the 12th or 13th week. So they were kind of late, which again, for me, I didn't really care. When I ordered them, when I placed the order, I knew they weren't gonna come in time for my anniversary, and I didn't care. I was like, I don't care. I like them, they're pretty, just whenever they come, I'll take them. But if somebody was designing a piece for like, let's say a wedding or, you know, a specific event, and they didn't come in time, that could be a problem. So just definitely give yourself lots of buffer, months if you can. That way you're not, you know, disappointed if it comes late. So that's the only con really. But yeah, everyone was really respectful. I called in multiple times just throughout the process to check on things, and everyone was really kind, respectful. So the overall process was really great. And I just love these. So if you guys have any questions, I tried to cover as much as I could, but if you have any questions, let me know. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.